What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to earn passive income for free. You can make 50 per day using this simple user friendly method. I will show you step by step everything how to earn passive income for free. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. And you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. If you want to long run your affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. At the end of this video, I will show you how I make these $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now, I will show you how to earn passive income for free, and you can make 50 per day using this simple method. You can't make big money or you can't make money within 24 hours, but you can make minimum 50 or 60 70 per day if you follow this simple method, and you don't need to invest any money, you don't need any difficulties, and it's so simple and anyone can apply this. So in this method, it's a passive income method. So you will do one task or you can earn money for a long time, and for this you have to choose a super passive income related niche, and you have to do accurately, and you can do accurately everything, then you will get passive income for a lifetime. And for this I choose a niche that is book selling. You have to sell books, and you have to sell it in 1, 2, or 3 marketplace or more. I will show you 3 marketplace, but you can sell it more other marketplaces. And book is one of the niche that can help you to earn passive income. I- Book selling is not the end with the overnight, so you can get the sell day by day, day by day, day by day, and it's one of the best passive income way for selling books. So at first you have to collect books for free. You see here it's plrdatabase.net. You can get unlimited PLR books here for selling your books, and you see here the marketplace sorry, and all the categories here: affiliate marketing, animal, business, children, collection, computer, craft and hobbies, education, entertainment, food and cooking, gardening, health. A lot of categories inside here, and you can sell any kind of books. You can choose health, you can choose relation rap, you can choose internet marketing, education, etc. So you have to collect your books from this plr database.net, and it's for free. You don't need to charge or you don't need to buy from here. You can download here from unlimited books. So after getting your books you can see it's Amazon Kindle and a lot of books here, a lot of books, a lot of books here. And you see here this the price range 1.99, 2.99, 1.99. So a small price under $5, $2, $3. It's amazing, and you will get a lot of sale. So you have to collect your book from this PLR site, and you can add your book in Amazon Kindle, and you can get a passive income way. Day by day your book list will grow and your income will be growing, and this task is for the one time. You don't need to do the same task. If you add one book or two book, then you will get the result for the lifetime for this one or two books. Now you see here it's ebuy.com, and if I search books, you see here books all the books here, all the books, and it's the price range 2.99 on dollar, 4.89, 8.82, 2 point. So you can upload your books this ebuy.com book sector, and you can get the same passive income ways like Amazon Kindle. And now the another way is Fiverr, and in case of Fiverr, I recommend you to promote or to sell make money related products or health and fitness related books. If you sell make money related or health and fitness books, then you will get a lot of sales inside Fiverr for the $5. So you can collect your book from PLR database, you see here, and be a best seller in Fiverr just for $5, and you can make a huge passive income stream. So you can add all the books at the same all the three companies. So if day by day when your book listing will grow, then your passive income will be big, but within uh, 1 month you can make this $50 per day. If you can continue it, then you will get this results. It's proven. A lot of marketers added their books inside all these three companies, and they get sales. So if you can add your books, then you will get sell too. So it's a best one of the best way to make passive income. So guys, if you want passive income, then comment in the comment box I want passive income, and if this video help you, then thumbs up this video and share this video for the others, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you see here a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to make big money by affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and it will help a lot to see and check my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. It's the big money solution for you. And you see here it's Legendary Marketer. It's an educational training program for the online marketing. And if you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey for making big money, or if you want to long run your online journey for lifetime, for a long time, then Legendary Marketer is the number one business model, number one training program at the present time. A lot of marketers join this Legendary Marketer, and they are growing their online business like me. Legendary Marketer helped me to learn a lot of about online marketing, and if you want to make big money, then you have to learn first. Without learning, no one can make money. So if you want overnight success, then it's not for you. But if you want to grow your online business successfully for a lifetime, then join Legendary Marketer and be a legendary like me. It's a high ticket training program, and you will get a lot of info inside this Legendary Marketer. You just need $7 to join Legendary Marketer to be a legendary. After joining this Legendary Marketer, you see here all these 15 days business challenge for you, and a coach will be appointed for you to solve all of your problems, and a lot of marketing strategies inside this legendary marketer. So if you want to grow your business for a lifetime, then legendary marketer is the best educational online training program for anyone, if you are a newbie or an expert. So guys, if this video helped you to earn passive income for free, then thumbs up this video, and don't forget to share this video for the others, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. So guys, best of luck, and if you want to make big money, then check my number on the recommendation or check my video description. Best of luck, God bless you, see you soon, bye.